Buying a home comes with its own set of challenges, but one local financial institution wants to give you the keys to get into that new space. The following portion of Live at 9 is sponsored by Leaders Credit Union, and to learn more, we are talking with Jamie Dawson, one of the mortgage loan originators. Welcome to Live at 9.
Hi, thank you for having me today.
Okay, so what are some of the first-time buyers? What do they need to know before buying?
So first you want to establish a budget, and you can do that by asking yourself, what can I afford? What are my other monthly liabilities, like your car payment, credit card payments, or student loans? And then you also want to ask yourself, what can I invest? Meaning, what do you have set aside that you could put towards down payment or closing costs?
Nice.
The next thing you would want to do is prepare your credit, because credit score is going to determine whether or not you get approved for a loan. It's also going to set your interest rate. Higher credit scores typically get a more favorable interest rate, and your average credit score is going to be around 675, so you definitely want to target a score of 650 or higher. Okay. And finally, a pre-qualification letter is key. You want to work with a local lender to get pre-qualified before you start looking, because if you've got that letter, it strengthens your offer to the seller of the home that you love by giving them the peace of mind that you've already gotten your financing in order.
Oh yeah, those are really direct, great steps. What about just the whole home buying process? What does that look like when Leaders Credit Union is helping?
So after you've established your budget and prepared your credit, you will contact a lender and complete and submit a loan application along with some income and asset documents. That lender will get you a pre-qualification letter for an amount that you can afford. You'll start working with a realtor to view properties that you like. And once you find that property, you put in an offer and it's accepted. You'll go back to the lender, provide a couple of extra additional documents. Then your file goes through processing, underwriting, and then you're at the closing table where you get your keys.
You make it sound so easy. Okay, but of course, you know, everybody's thinking about money. What if someone doesn't have that traditional 20% to put down on a home?
Yeah, so you do not have to have 20% down to buy a home. There are low down payment programs with as little as 3% down. There are some 100% financing programs out there, and there are down payment assistance programs where you obtain either a grant or a second loan that will bridge that gap for the down payment and closing costs.
Wow, so there are options. Okay, and you know, you mentioned credit score and how important that is in determining your interest rate. Can your score be improved, and do you have any tips how?
Pay your bills on time every month, first and foremost. If you have credit cards or any other types of lines of credit, don't let those balances get above 30% utilization. So whatever the credit limit is, keep it at 30% or lower. And then prepaid or secured credit cards are another great credit building option, as well as a credit building loan. A lot of financial institutions offer a loan specifically for credit building.
That prepaid is interesting. It tricks your brain into, you know, just like planning ahead. So these are really incredible tips. Jamie, thank you so much for helping us buy our first home.
Well, thank you for having me, and we are happy to help people gain home ownership.
All right. And the preceding portion of Live at 9 is sponsored by Leaders Credit Union. Thank you.